So we have the OLTP for the online transaction processing databases. So this online transaction processing databases focuses on updating, inserting, and deleting data. Those are the key aspects for the OLTP database. So an example where you use the OLTP will be for a bank transaction. So let's say you have your card and you go perform a transaction in one of the bank's location. As soon as you perform the transaction at that location, it updates in every other location. So let's say you were to go perform a transaction at location A. By the time you finish the transaction and you move, and let's say you go to location B, the transaction you conducted in location A would show up in location B. So as you're performing the transaction in location A, is being updated instantly at location B. So that's an example of how the OLTP is employed. And the other aspect is the OLAP, so the online analytical processing. Now, this is used for historically stored data. So just as you see in the name, the analytical processing. So this is used when you have data in your database that you want to analyze to view different aspects of the data. So you want to extract different forms or different types of information from a large data set. That's when you employ the OLAP or the online analytical processing. That's where things like the business intelligence tools will come into play. So things you hear of things like Tableau, Spark, things like that. So they're using those to analyze different data sets to make business decisions. So that's an example of an OLAP or OLAP process.